Hi, I'm Chef Rahan. I'm here in my private corner and welcome to Satisfactory, Cook Healthy, Cook Happy. For the falafel, we have some ingredients in here. We have some flour, cumin, garlic and onion, and then chili flake, olive oil, salt, breadcrumbs, chickpeas, the most important things, chickpeas, and then black pepper, tahini sauce, and lemon. Okay. First things to do, we're gonna blend all ingredients in here. First ingredients we're gonna put is the chickpeas. Basically, the food that I'm cook today is very healthy. You can cook at home for family gathering or some friends, etc. And then we're gonna put some flowers, little bit of salt, black pepper, and the tahini sauce. Okay. And then the last one is breadcrumbs. Basically, for the falafel, we're gonna make like rounded, and then so we're gonna need some breadcrumbs for easier to round it. And then we're gonna blend it all, the ingredients. We're gonna put some little bit of olive oil and some freshness. We're gonna make some lemon. And then we blend it all. If the ingredients is too dry, we just gonna make it, added some olive oil. And then we're gonna add some garlic, just a clove of garlic and a clove of red onion. And we blend it until all around is very smooth and mixed together. Okay. And the falafel dough we're gonna put in here. And we're gonna make it rounded shape, like a meatball maybe. Basically, the main ingredient of falafel is the chickpeas. If you don't have it at home, you can use all kind of peanuts, like soy peanuts. It's really good. After we shape it around all of them, and then we preheat the oil. The technique is we're gonna deep fry it, the falafel, so we're gonna need a lot of oil. It will take time for the oil is very hot, so we're gonna falafel. Basically, you can easily find it in the eastern country like Lebanon, Turkey, Arabs, etc. This is very common dish for the people. So it's full of fibers, and then the nutrition of the vegetable and etc. is very good. I have some tricks for you. You are at home. If you're gonna check it, the oil is hot enough. Just a little bit. You take it the breadcrumbs and you put it in oil. If the breadcrumbs is up and sizzling a little bit, the oil is really hot. Okay. And then we deep fry the falafel. If the falafel color is golden brown like this, and it's done. When the falafel is done, we're gonna make the sauce. The sauce is really simple. Just you need a yogurt, a little bit of lime juice, and cucumber. First thing first, we're gonna cut the cucumber. We put it in blender to blend it all of the ingredients. We put it some cucumber, lime juice, and some Greek yogurt. And then we blended the sauce. The sauce is done. And the last thing, we're gonna mix some pickles with the cucumber that we used before for the garnish. And last thing we're gonna do, and important things, we're gonna be plating. We're gonna prepare some tomatoes first. The ingredients we're gonna make with the falafel is very easy to reach. Yeah. The chickpea itself, we can use like soybeans or anything else. Maybe walnut is really good too. When the falafel is done, we put the sauce. And it's done. You can smell it. You can see it, how beautiful it is. This is falafel.